I used to walk to school every day. I don't anymore, and I miss it, because I used to count all the pieces of graffiti I could see on my walk. I would almost always lose count. And that probably makes you think, wow, Montpelier really has a graffiti problem. But they don't. They have the opposite. There's just not enough people who are taking the time to understand it. There's magic inside all of these pieces. And to say it simply, it's about humans seeing each other. It's the most human thing I can think of. We all want something to say that we were here. Our ancestors did it, and they did it with love, passing it down to us, knowing that one day we would see it. And that's what I think of when I see the graffiti. These people laid these marks and pieces down with love onto our town to say, I'm here. They're there, saying, I see you, and you see me, to those who look close enough. And in the end, hopefully you do see them. And I hope you think about what you're leaving behind too. And with that, I just want to say my name is Jill, and I see you too.